I'm gonna sing cover to a song Stay by Rihanna. All alone, it was a fever. A cold sweat, hot-headed believer. I threw my hands in the air and showed me something. He said, if you dare, come a little closer. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you, and it takes me all the way. I want you to stay. It's not much of a life we live in. It's not just something